Hey guys, here's another really simple DIY car project you can do to save money. Here's how to change your rear axle differential fluid, which you can do for less than $60. This will keep your car running smoothly. I'm using my 2014 Dodge Charger. First step, as always, gather the right tools, equipment, and parts you need. I got my jack, 14mm Allen key, some BP blaster for those pesky bolts, and the oil. I'm using 75W90. You also need a bucket to put the used oils in. Second step, lift your car up enough to get to your rear axle. Find the two plugs on the differential, one to drain, the other one to fill. Third step, take your Allen key and remove the bottom plug. You can also remove the top plug to allow an even flow. Once emptied, replace the bottom plug and start to fill up the differential back up with the oil. Pour till you see it overflowing back out of the top plug. Make sure both bolts are nice and tight. Lower the car and clean yourself off. Pat yourself on the back for another job well done. Thanks for watching.